there. So today, as I was walking up to my apartment, I saw these cute little leaf sprigs sort of lying around on the ground everywhere, and I thought those would be so pretty on a card, because that's what you say when you see nature. I don't know. My brain gets so twisted doing this craft stuff all the time. So I've been dying to use my Cracked Pistachio Distress ink for a while now. I don't know why I haven't done it earlier. So I thought, oh well, maybe I'll see if I can get some reverse image, you know, by dabbing it onto a card, see what happens. So let's do some experiments, shall we? It should work. I'm sure it will. Let me get my blending pad out and functional. And maybe I should do this under it. Let's see how we want to do this. I want to sort of do it in like that. I just want it really rough, just to get a nice outline going. And then we'll do additions onto the card itself to sort of punch it out. That's my plan. Just a light little image. I'll do another one. Leave one in here. Yeah, that looks pretty. Just something vaguely flower-like or leaf-like. And then we'll edge up the edges. Ink up the edges. Alright. We got all that laid out. Why don't we do some washi tape on the spine. We'll add some gold in there. There we go. Grab my scissors. Okay. And we'll do some twine, of course. I'm trying to decide whether I want to wrap the whole card or I want to do a little bundle, because I'm thinking I found my sequence that's all strung together. I'm thinking I want to drop some sequins down, maybe staple some sequins on. Let's do that. Of course I can't find my mini stapler, so I'll have to use my big one. So we'll do this. It's kind of tricky. I never like to, even though I have a billion sequins, I never like to waste one, so here. And then just to lock that last sequence into place so it doesn't run around, I just do a dab of glue on it. And one more strand. We'll lock this one into place. This one into place. Okay. And maybe I want to, no, do I want to, I don't think I want to staple it. I think I want to glue it. Because this isn't a very grungy card. So we'll glue these little puppies down. Like so. And I just happen to have a leftover vellum flower lying on my desk, so we'll put that there. We'll put these we'll scatter these extra sequins. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I have lying on my desk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I happen to have a leaf laying here, so might as well use it. And I need a center for that. So I just want to cut out a glitter circle really fast. Here we go. And I was making this as a congratulatory card, so put congratulations on it. Just flag ending the end. There. And then one more little element. I'll tuck in a little bit of string. That side didn't want to lay down. There we go. I love using those sequins that are already pre-strung. They're really fun. And they give such good impact to the card. Okay. There we go. There we go. That was a fun experiment. I really liked working with those little leaves. That was cute. And I'm really glad that I found my sequins on a string. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!